Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And so far, so good. That was the level that this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday. But if you didn't, I talked about 0023 as an area of support that you would want to see hold. And like I said, to give credit where credit's due, it did indeed hold. I am going to make one minor adjustment and just move that down to there at 0022 because that seems to be more so the accurate area now that we have more data. You can see that is right where the price bounced off of there during that opening 30 minutes. And then later on during the day, the bears tried again to push down through there. And once again, got the same results. The bulls were able to bounce it back to the upside. So 0022 is certainly, kind of been confirmed as a very important level of support going forward. In the event 001 does not hold, then not that far below, down at 2, you have that next area. So which one should you use? If anything, just call it a support zone. Sometimes that's what I do. If you're not quite sure, you have a support zone right here. So that's why, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to get down below both those areas, that's a pretty bearish move because this has quite a bit of history of acting as support in the past. And whenever price movements are going down through support zones, not just a single level of support, but a zone of support, that is not what you want to see. But again, as I started off the video, I'll reiterate here, so far so good. That level is holding, and you definitely want to see that continue to happen going forward. In the event the price can get some sort of bounce, the initial level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays itself out, Thursday, Friday, that line will continue to move downwards and get more and more relevant. But right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. I think it's more so just trying to stabilize out and go through a healthy consolidation here. So all in all, nice to see that level of support hold. We'll see if this is some sort of bottom getting chipped away at or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.